In this brief video, we will show you the steps for trading cryptocurrency using our fully automated trading bots. Now, before we get started, each of these 5 steps have corresponding videos that you can watch. They can be found on our website under tutorial videos or our YouTube channel. Now, step number 1, set up your crypto exchange account. Choose either Coinbase for spot trading or Binance for future trading. Sign up by providing the necessary information and completing any required identity verification. Step number 2, create your crypto wallet. After setting up your exchange account, create a crypto wallet to securely store your digital assets. You can either keep your wallet on the exchange, or you can opt for a software wallet, or you can opt for a hardware wallet for enhanced security. Step number 3, fund your account with USDT Tether. Deposit funds into your exchange account. To prepare for trading, convert your fiat currency like USD into USDT Tether, which is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. This can usually be done directly on the exchange or by transferring USD from your wallet. Step number 4, subscribe to your automated trading bot. Research and select a fully automated trading bot that suits your trading strategy, whether it be spot or futures trading. And our website describes how each of our fully automated trading bots function and how the trading strategy that they are coded for. In the step number 5, connect your automated trading bot to your exchange. Once you have subscribed to one of our automated trading bots, you will need to connect it to your exchange account. This typically involves generating an API key from your exchange account and entering them into the bot's settings. Ensure that you grant the necessary permission for trading while keeping your API keys quite secure. Now, again, I want to remind you that each of these steps have corresponding videos that you can watch and can be found on our website under tutorial videos or our YouTube channel. And we'll see you on the other side of profit.